Hi, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. My name is Albert Tan. Just to test the system whether it's working. If you can see me and see Bassam, please say hi in the chat so that we know the stream is actually successful. Just now we actually have some technical issue with this wave video, so we need your cooperation to tell us whether we are actually on live. If you can hear us or see us. Okay, seems good. I've seen a few person have replied on the right hand side on the chat. Okay, guys, welcome to this Facebook live session, and this is the fourth time we have done. We are doing this Facebook live with founder Bassam Tarek. So hi, Bassam, how are
Hi,
you?
hi Albert. It's a pleasure to meet you again and telling you what's new about Stacks and meet everybody else. Hi everyone.
Yes, yes. Before we actually start, guys, I need you to do a few things, as usual. We need you guys. Hold on.
Okay.
Let me mute the other. Hold on, because there's double sound. Okay, yeah, I muted the other screen. I have two screen here, so
Uh-huh.
sorry. Let
Yeah, it's
me
okay.
do some housekeeping. Guys, I need your help to actually show your face and photo while you're commenting. Please click this link. I will just put it up in the comment, so that everybody know what to do. Can you see the link? I think everybody should be able to see. Yeah, this
Yeah.
is the link. Okay, click this link. HTTPS wave.video/lives/Facebook. So this is important. If you don't click this link, we will not be able to see your photo and your name while you're commenting because we are at the back end of this streaming platform. So please help yourself and help us so that we can actually have a very smooth webinar today. And at the end of this webinar, we have 5 prizes, up for grabs. So if you want to get the prize, please stay back and stay tuned and don't go away, because if you go away when we announce the winner, you might not be around.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, before we start, let me ask Bassam some intimate question. So Bassam, I know where are you from, but some of the audience might not know where are you from. Please tell us where are you from and why are you actually starting this Stacks, what I call mobile app builder, no?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm from Egypt, based in Egypt, Alexandria, Egypt. I'm engineer, graduated from Faculty of Engineering. I have an MBA degree in marketing. This is the second company to start. Actually, I initially started one service company in 2011, and it was doing mobile applications and websites for multinationals and large corporates for high ticket projects. And after that, we have found that there is a gap actually in the market because people are in need to have a low-cost mobile application solution, while there are many modules that are in common for the between some of the projects and others. So that's why we decided to build a builder to automate most of the process and reduce the cost a lot to make it possible for any small and medium enterprises to have their mobile application ready. So that's why we started Stacks. We started by receiving information from or requests and requirements for the projects from everybody and from you guys actually through webinars with Albert. And we developed the roadmap and I've done many of the roadmap. That's why we are here right now in order to tell you why we built what we have built and why we have built those features. So let me start with answering your questions. Why we have built Stacks as a start. So basically, the mobile application is very important to solve one important issue now, and this is what we have received after gaining many surveys and sending people many why you are using the mobile application, why you're using the builder itself. Basically, the most important feature that you should be aware of is that you need to use the mobile application in order to increase the retention rates of your company. So if you have, it's not for gaining new customers. Gaining new customers is costly. But if you already have, let's say, 100 subscribers to whatever business, or if you have a restaurant, for example, and you have 100 person who loves your restaurant, then he is frequently ordering from you. Then he would love to have an easy way to access your restaurant and reorder from you, rather than just going to the website or searching for the Facebook page or WhatsApp or whatever solution. The mobile application is the fastest way to gain more revenue or generate more revenue from your already the customers, the current customers that you already have. So let's say that the loyalty, increasing the loyalty of the customers, is the main purpose of having a mobile application. That's why our focus on the mobile application is built around the features that increases the loyalty of your mobile applications and making it easier to make orders and so on, as I'm going to show you in the mobile application in the upcoming features.
Okay. Tarek,
Yeah.
can you hear me? Oh yeah, because I think the connection is not too
No.
good.
I finished telling why the mobile application is important.
Okay, no problem. I was just want to confirm. So one last question is actually regarding your team. How many team members do you have? Are they all in Egypt or are they distributed across the world?
We have actually a spectrum. We are 10 people who are experienced in the field of mobile applications, whether marketing, support, and developers. So we are doing the research, we're checking the prices, offers, and we're doing as well the development, gaining feedback, and so on. So it's a full spectrum of the team, trying to build the most promising project.
Okay, that's good. So I think we should actually go into the demo, and show us, what are the new features you have developed over the last 6 months or so,
Yeah. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you how it works. Okay, Stacks. Firstly, basically, it can integrate with your WordPress, with your WooCommerce, whether it's posts or WooCommerce products, subscription products, or simple products, variable products, or it can work as well with a membership. This was a request from the members. Membership with the subscription, unlocking some content for subscribers only. So it's available now through Stacks mobile application builder. So this is one thing. The other thing is that in the what we are working on is that it will work as well on Shopify as well, so that you can integrate the builder and generate a mobile application for your Shopify store. So this is.
Are you sharing the screen, Bassam?
Yeah, I'm going to share the screen right now.
Yeah.
Give me a second, please.
Okay, it's on now.
Can you see my screen? Yes.
Yes, we can see your screen now.
So once you log in to the builder and just make a simple sign up to the builder or purchase a lifetime code right now, there will be a link. Once you sign up and add your coupon code, you will be redirected to this page, basically, to choose the template of your projects. Okay, we have currently about 50 or more templates to choose from. Many templates in many different fields, whether it is toys shop, cars, bookstore, retail, or mobile accessories, or restaurants, or fashion store, whatever you need in the field that works with WooCommerce, you will find a template for it. And what differentiates us from the other mobile application builders in the market is that all the other builders provide you with a template for the home screen only. So you will find something like this at any other company that says, okay, we have a builder and you can customize the layout of the home screen. This is not how we work actually only. We have more plus features in this area. So basically, the most important feature is the views designer that we have developed. This view lets you capable of customizing any view of the mobile application, not only the home view. So I can click on any view that I would like to modify and add whatever blocks to that view and link all those views together. So that by this way, you will have the possibility in order to be able to make any connections, introduce your brand identity in a new way to make it easier for your customers and unique more for your customer. So let's say I have this view, for example, this is what we are going to start with, the home one. I can customize from the header. The header is customizable. The slider here, I can edit the slider, whatever number of slides I'd like to add. The categories, I can add any number of categories that I would like to. It's integrated with the WooCommerce, as I mentioned. So I can make manual selection of the categories that I would like to show here, or show all the categories limited by number of the latest categories to show top products. And there are many styles for the products as well. So this product is for a product of a category, women's shoes. I can make it the latest products, for example, or increase the limit or decrease the limit of the products. I can make it just show 2 of the products. You'll see 2 only. You can see 5, whatever you need. Or change even the style of the products. You can make it carousel, you can make it a grid, or 3 columns, a grid layout, whatever you want. Okay? So by this way, also you can edit the image and link the image. This is one of the major things that we have added. You can link the image to whatever view that you would like to. So this links to the home. I can add it to a product with specific products that I can choose. Or I can add to categories, or I can add to a post or external URL like Google or YouTube or whatever form that I would like people to fill. So this image is critical feature, one of the critical features that links the views together. You can link the slider or the image or the button even. And as well, you can add videos like this one. This is a video that you can add in order to show people interesting features or something like that. And as you see, the homepage can be as long as you need. There is no limitation on the amount of views that you can add. This is GIF, for example. That's very beneficial for introducing your products. Okay, so what else we can see? So let's say I would like to add another view and link views together. So here I have a view called test one. Let's open this view, for example, and this is a blank template. I can add an image and make that image, for example, links to the home. The home that we have opened is called home one. That's it. And just clicking update, it updates without the need to upload a new application to Google Play or App Store. This is uploaded and updated automatically to the system. And what if I'd like to make a new page? So let's say, okay, I'll go here and make this was test one. I'll add test two. Just clicking generate view. It generates a new view here at the bottom. I didn't click the button. This creates a new view that says with a test view here. Okay, here we go. The test view is done, is added. I can add, let's say, the products page, and here we go. This is the products. If I go here back to the views page, I can see that test one can be linked to test two and whatever I want. Okay, let's say open test one, for example, and open the image. I can then link this page to the test one can be linked to test two page and whatever you want. Okay, so this basically helps you in order to connect and be able to connect the mobile application views together. What else we can do? For example, this is a header. I can activate the global header, or I can activate the global footer as well, or I can modify this header alone. For example, I can disable this one, the header here, and customize the header the way I want. Change the background of the header, change the icons, change the color of the icons, modify the shape of the icons, the color, modify the functionality even of the icons itself, or just make it, okay, I needed the global. I can as well modify the global headers from one single place. I can go to the global section and make an edit for the header, this header. And once I modify this header from this one place, it will be reflected to all the mobile application views everywhere else. Let's say I will modify the color of the header here to make it green, so it will be green everywhere else. Also for the footer, I can add whatever number of icons I'd like to. And each icon can link to whatever page I'd like to link to. So for example, I'm going to remove 2 of the icons. As you see, it's removed normally. I can add one other item. Okay, whatever I want, I can change the icon of the item. Let's say I'd like to link to the about. Let's name it about. Okay, here is the about, and change the about like this. So it's linked like that, and change the icon. Everything is customizable, and the colors as well is customizable the way you want. This is for the globals page. After you are done, by this you have a full control over the mobile application. So now let's navigate to the mobile application and see how it works in the real life. So I'm going to start the application. Okay, so here it loads. As you see, we added at the first, we added at the landing page. It will load right now. Just I believe that the internet connection here is affecting the loading of this view. So let's give it a second. This is simulation for the mobile application. Okay, let me refresh this page. Okay. It seems that the sharing the screen is holding this up. So let's give it a minute and then retry it again. Okay, I'm going to show you another feature till this this thing loads in the background. I believe that the internet. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me, Albert?
Yes, everything
Okay.
can be seen.
Yeah. Okay. Great. So let me continue because it seems that the internet connection at my side is holding this back features back a little bit. Okay. Yeah, it seems that there is a lag due to the video streaming process. Can I stop sharing the camera?
Yeah,
This will from
just
sharing the screen. Yeah, can I stop sharing the stop
yeah.
video? Yeah, I believe this makes a difference.
Is it better?
Actually, it seems that the internet connection at my side. Okay, so anyway, it will. What will happen here is that you will be able to. Yeah, it says here that the internet connection is low. So I'm sorry about that. The internet connection is at my side is at low speed a little bit. So till this recovers, maybe while I'm talking, it will be recovered right now. So and the people here are trying to recover the internet connection while we are talking. So what I have now is that we have many more. By this, you have a full control over the builder design and the builder pages as well. As you see, you can modify the checkout page, you can modify the cart, you can modify the blog posts if you have a single blog post, the about page, the contact page, whatever page that you have added here. As you see, you can see as well here the test pages that you that we have just added, the image that links to the test to, and so on. So what else we can do? You can use the add mob. You can use the push notifications. You can use the membership plugin, as I mentioned. I was about to show you just the push notifications, but really it says that the internet connection here at my side is a little bit bad. I'm going to disconnect the camera. Believe that this can make a difference. Okay. Let me recheck again. Just a second. Okay. So anyway. I'm connecting to a new network connection. Internet connection.
You mean new
Yeah.
Wi-Fi, new cable?
Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, it's connected right now. Okay. So yeah, here we go. So the push notification, yeah, I connected to a new internet connection to make it faster, a little bit faster. So in this page, for example, we can add, as you see here, you have the full push notifications feature. You can add an offer here, awesome offer one, let's say, and we can add whatever message, an offer to this product, for example, or an awesome product. You can add emojis, and you can as well send to whatever person that you'd like to, or the people that has access to the push notifications here. So all the people who signed up to your project can have access like this page. You can select from any person or select all of them and then type the message that you want and push the push notification. This is totally for free feature that can be used at any time. So let's see again the application preview now. Navigate back to the application preview. Now it works. Okay. Yes. So this is the home screen of the mobile application. Let's start. After this page loads, it redirects. You can modify this view whatever you want. So, for example, if you'd like, what if I'd like to make it like 5 views with the tour screens? You can just go there to the views designer and add the 5 views that you would like to, and then connect those views together till you reach this home view that we have just modified. So this view, as you see, contains all the modifications and all the same exactly as the design that we have just seen. So what else we can do? Let's see. This is a video, for example. So let's see the products section. This is categories. I'm going to open this category, and I'm going after that to open the product itself. Okay. So this is a product. I'm going to add to cart and then view the cart. If I'm going to view the cart, it will require me to log in order to view the cart. The login here, one of the features that we have is that it can be done with the phone number or with the email address, because at some countries or for some industries, people don't know their email addresses and they would prefer to work with their phone number. So this is a feature that we have added for them. So let me go back again. One of the most important features as well is that it's caching. As you see, it's very fast if it is loaded for the first time. So it caches all the data here to make it pretty fast. Okay? So let me add to cart and then view the cart again. Okay. So at the top here, this is the cart view. At the top here, this is one of the most interesting features that we have, is that integration with the WooCommerce points and rewards system. So as I mentioned, you need to increase the loyalty of your customers. How you can do so? By making this point system. So for example, I have 6,000 or 7,000 points here, and this translates for about 33 Egyptian pound discount for this order. I can make apply discount. Okay, how many points I'd like to use? Okay, the discount applied successfully. So now I have a discount points redemption, and the discount is for 33 Egyptian pounds that I have. And by completing this order, I'm going to earn another 4,000 points that I can use later on for the discounts. This way, you are going to gain retention from or retain your current customers. So this is a checkout. This page is fully customizable. You can remove whatever fields that you don't need, or add another fields that you need as an information from your customers. Okay, for now, you can integrate with all the payment gateways as well with the WooCommerce, whether it's cash, check payments, or Stripe, PayPal, whatever payment gateway that we have for the WooCommerce, you will have it listed here. If I'm going to say the basic one is the cash on delivery, after that I'm going to place the order, and I have the discounts, points redemption here, 33 as you see here, and order received. There is also a page for the points system that you can check. I have already 6,000 points that I gained from those views or those sections. So as you see here, you have a full access to your points system that's integrated with your WooCommerce, global headers and footers, multiple views can be added, connecting all those views together inside your system. So let me talk a little bit about what's next here, and a little bit about our roadmap, what we can do. You can also customize the checkout, as I mentioned, sign up with a phone number, and also there is a interesting feature before I move on to the roadmap, is that you can see full analytics statistics about the user ID who have navigated. I don't have an email, I have a phone number, I've signed up with the phone number, the views that I have checked. I can filter by the date here, date from, let's say, yesterday till today, for example, and I'll see what happened at that date. So I will see the views to that date. I can filter by the email address of the customer, or see pages that have been viewed per day, or specific page that if I'd like to have, let's say, who have viewed the cart page. So I will have this chart for the cart page, and the users who have viewed the cart page here listed here with their email addresses, so that you can send them emails or export them and send them to, let's say, Sendinblue or whatever. Also, I can have access to all the orders that's added with their status and the order link here, in order to be able to check the order at WooCommerce and change the status if you would like, with the amount of money received, as mentioned here, with the orders per day. Okay, so what's next for this builder? In order to enhance as more the customer experience, we are going to make the checkout easier, much easier process. We're going to add the product add-ons in order to extra add-ons for the products and the variable products, like extra, for example, for a coffee restaurant, you can add extra shot for espresso or extra chocolate or whatever. And you can manage as well multiple addresses and change the address the way switch between addresses, in order to, sometimes you would like, the customer would like to order from home or from work or whatever. Also, there will be an option to track the order link on Google Maps to see where your order have been received. Those were the features that we have received as requests from our customers who already managing restaurants or making e-commerce system for their for restaurant clients, and that's what we are working on in the upcoming period. I hope that I have described clearly what we have so far, and let me know if you have any questions. Give me a second. I'm going to change, I believe, the screen. Can you see my screen? Not sure. It's switching here. Yeah, give me a second. Not sure what's doing this. I believe it's switching. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to relog in again. Can you see me now? I'm sorry. Can you see me now? I'm not sure I can hear you. Can you hear me now?
Okay, guys, I'm back. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please say that, put in the chat that you can hear me. Still cannot hear me? Okay, Bohan said I can hear you. So I think unless I need most of the people say can I hear. Okay, let's wait for Bassam. Bassam actually was cut off. I think the internet connection in his place might have some issue. So,
I can hear you now. Can you hear me, Albert?
yeah, we can hear you, but we don't see you.
Okay.
Don't worry. You don't have to put on your video if the connection is not too good. Let's
I
do.
can hear you well, actually. Yes. Okay. I'm sorry for
Okay,
the.
yeah,
I'm
you
not sure.
can watch the what they call the screen, and we answer the question first.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, let me project up the question.
Okay.
Okay, can I upload the app to Play Store? Of course.
Yes. Yeah. This is the purpose actually of the mobile application. Yeah. Once you can just click on Android, you can have the APK. You will have actually the AAB file. You can upload it automatically yourself. Or for the Play App Store, you can, with a click of a button, it will be uploaded automatically to the App Store account, your App Store account.
Okay, this is not a question, it's just a statement by Tusa. So he say, I don't know how long I can stay on the giveaway because the weather here is no good. Okay, Abdullah, good luck. Hopefully you are here. Let me put up the next question. Can I customize the column view design to my preference? For example, highlight the middle column item. This question is by Mohan.
Yeah. You can actually change the design of any section the way you want. You can highlight it. You can change the color. You can change the background in order to make it appear better than others. You can change the height of the column. Add whatever you want.
Okay. How is it different from iBlue app or mobile roller? But actually, there are a couple of competitors, more than 10, if I'm not wrong, So
Yeah. So basically we have many features that differentiates us from the competition. Actually, all the features that I mentioned today differentiates us from mobile roller. Let's say, for example, the first one is the membership integration. You don't have integration with memberships in mobile roller. We have integration with points and rewards system, which increases the loyalty, which is the main purpose of the mobile application as well. While mobile roller doesn't have this, we have a feature of adding whatever number of views that you'd like to and connecting those views together, which is not available as well in iBlue or mobile roller. So I believe we have tons of features that are integrated only at Stacks.
Okay, thank you. Let's move to the next question.
Can I try with a refresh before I answer? Maybe the sharing will, the screen will. It's not important. If it's not important, then it's okay to have the camera open.
You. So if you want to share, just share. But
if I'm going to refresh, maybe it will work. Can you see it? Do you see it as important or not?
I'm not sure because
We are
sometimes
ready to
you
make
share the
it.
screen, it affects the video of.
Okay, it's okay. Let's continue like that.
Yeah. Okay. Let's move to the next question first. Will it work on the LMS side?
LMS, it can work with the web view. For the LMS, you can just open the site and add the link to the mobile application. So we have three cases for the mobile application: a completely native mobile application through the builder, or a native mobile application with buttons that redirects to the LMS site. Once you click the button, you will see the website inside the mobile application as well, or a complete web view for the mobile application. So the three features are available. So you can have for your LMS through a button or through a complete view for the mobile application.
But which is better view?
Which is, sorry?
I mean, if we use a LMS site, so which is a better view? The web view is better or the button view is better?
No, a button actually is better because you will have a native mobile application for all the features. But if you'd like to see a course or a specific post or something like that, it will be through a button or an image that once you click, you will be redirected to that page.
Okay, fair enough.
So it's better, yeah.
Yeah, JDip, are there any SEO optimization option
Uh,
uh, for the mobile app?
For a mobile app, it's not an SEO. Actually, it's the App Store optimization. And I believe that the App Store mainly depends on the description and text that you write on the application name and so on, that you write on the Google Play and App Store. But from our side, the application performance speed is very high. Less than a second, the application will be loaded. So if it is a parameter, then it will not be an issue.
Yeah, JDip, I know you are SEO guy, so because this is in the Play Store, it's an app. So if you found the app, it will always load unless they got some problem at the back end, you know. So I don't think you need to do any other SEO optimization unless you want to say you want to rank high in the Play Store search, you know. So that I do not know. But some
Yeah.
you know how to make it rank higher in the search.
It's not something related, I believe, to the builder itself. That's something that the
Yes,
builder can
correct.
help with. Yeah,
Mhm.
it's something related to the content added in the mobile application and the backlinks that you are offering and so on. So it's not related to the mobile application development itself. But for the performance of the application, it's already covered.
Yeah, most of the time, if you what they call tap the right name of the app, it will
Yeah,
actually
exactly.
appear in the Play Store, you know. So
Exactly. Yes. And backlinks, it depends on the backlinks who are talking about the application, the rating of the application, and so on.
yeah, okay,
Yeah.
fair enough. Okay, Basam, I'm going to project this question from DS Wong, which is actually very three question in one go. So maybe you have to read it from the right hand side of the live chat. Can you do that?
uh, a page to collect images from user. Once the user submitted the image, there will be a ticket created.
Mhm.
Uh, I can't see the full question actually, but
You can you
I
click
think
the live chat button on the right hand side on your screen, then you
yeah,
will
yeah, I
yeah you,
see. Yeah, I see
okay,
I see the question now. Page collect the
okay.
images from the user. Once the user submitted the image, there will be a ticket created. We admin can change the status from pending or completed to not valid. Okay, this so he would like the users to submit images, and the tickets is created through this image. Actually, you can uh, if it is available in your website. So through a form, for example, or a button, for example, then what I do in these situations is that I add the image, an image, normal image block or button block or an icon in the footer, for example, that links to that page that you have on your website. Okay, and that page already performs perfectly, and after it is submitted it will go back to the mobile application itself normally. So it's native experience. The user will not feel that he's navigated to a website or something like that, but as well you will maintain the same functionality that you have in the website. Link to a database could be spreadsheet or MySQL. It can be through a form, like for example, the something like forms of a Salesforce form, or if you have a Google Sheet through something related to form that links to Zapier. All this is possible actually. We have an add variable anywhere on the app page where we can update directly to the spreadsheet. As I mentioned here, you can add a form on your website. This form can have an embed link. Uh, the application, the mobile application, and the builder that we have can act or perform perfectly with the embed links. So for example, if you have a form at HubSpot that communicates with spreadsheet, Google Spreadsheet, you can add this form through the embed code, the HTML code of it. You can add it in the mobile application, which reflects to the spreadsheet at the end of the day. So yes, it's possible.
The last question.
Yeah, the last question is possible.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, this question looks interesting. Have you started providing full keystroke private key for stack independent future app updates? I don't quite understand this question.
I believe he is referring to if you would like to migrate from Stacks to another platform, and he will
Oh,
be in need to have the key store and the private keys of Android and App Store.
I
So
see.
yes, you can just send us an email, and we will send it to you.
Okay, now I understand. So Anush, so it's possible.
Yeah, possible. Yes.
Okay, let's move on to the next question by Justin.
Uh,
Is
yeah.
it sing immediately or what?
Yeah, immediately. Actually, we are continuously. If you are loading a page, any page from the mobile application, it requests this page from or view. It requests this view from the database directly. So if you are going to load, let's say test one is loading test two page, then test two is a link from the bottom. So once you click on test two, it requests goes to the database of your website and asks what's the data of test two. Then the website responds with the JSON object of test tool, and then it loads. So that's why exactly it doesn't need to be updated on the Google Play and App Store. It's everything is real time and dynamic.
Okay, that sounds good. And I have this question. This is actually, I mean, the bottom of last question, but it looks interesting. Okay, Azim is asking, I'm using app my site, but it feels slow on performance. How do you compare to app my site? Before you answer, I want to check. I want to ask. App my site is basically PWA, right? It's not native app, right? I'm not sure, but I just want to ask.
I'm not sure about it, but we have tons of differences between us and App My Site. Basically, it's not slow in performance. The first thing is the question to mention it's slow in performance. Our mobile application is not slow in performance, so we also doesn't give you the possibility only to update the mobile application, the homepage, and the rest is a template with a neat design. At my site, design is good, but all the applications that he has is identical to each other's, except for the homepage. But our side, we are all our application samples. You will never see two mobile applications that have anything in common. You can customize it the way you want. So there
Okay.
is a major difference between both of us in mentality by structure.
Okay, so before we move to the next, to answer the next question, guys,
Yeah.
we need you to ask more question because
Till they
Bassam is
ask
here.
me more
Yeah,
questions, I'm going to refresh the page. Till they ask.
yeah.
Okay.
So please ask more question because he is here, he's live here, so you can ask anything about Stack or anything about mobile app application builder, so that you can gain information. So I think he's off again. Let me check.
Can you see me? You can
Yeah,
see
I
me.
can see you.
Great. Perfect. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Online again. Yes.
Your stream is dropping every now and then. Okay,
Yeah.
let me project up the participation form for this giveaway. Hold on, let me check. Let me scroll down. Okay, this is the form.
Hmm.
Okay, guys, go please and fill up the form. Then hopefully that you will win the prize. So, but let's go to the next question.
Yeah. Sure. Please.
Are there WordPress integration or other kinds of self-hosting option for Stacks?
Okay.
Why you need to host it when it's actually hosted in iOS or Play Store, no?
Yeah. I understand. He's asking. He's referring. WordPress integration. We have a plugin on the on WordPress.org for stacks, and soon we'll have a plugin for Shopify on Shopify store as well. This is for the integration for the WordPress or whatever platform. Regarding the self-hosting option, is that he's asking what if I don't have a website at all. So we are offering this option, but not in LTD because it costs our servers. We can't offer it as an LTD. Every person at least costs us about $10 per month in order to maintain the self-hosted solution. So it can't be for the LTD. But for the WordPress integration, normally this is the LTD which covers, and it's available as a WordPress plugin. Yes, that supports the integration.
I see. Okay. So what sort of reward management system do you support?
WooCommerce points and rewards, the official package of WooCommerce points and rewards system. If you'd like us to send you the link or something like that, just let us know, and we'll send you the link of the integration.
Okay. Same. Another question by Mohan. Does it support custom payment gateway integrated to the WooCommerce website?
Yes, and we have a smart integration with this part. Any payment gateway, except for Stripe, PayPal, and cash on delivery and so on, can be integrated with stacks through once you click on pay through Paddle, for example, it will open the checkout form of Paddle inside the mobile application, exactly like the checkout form of the website, but it will be rendered inside the checkout fields of the mobile application, so it will be perfectly working.
Okay,
Most
just
of
now
that 200 payment gateway has been tested, so it's working perfectly.
Bassam, you were mentioning that it's not connect. You can't connect to PayPal, right?
You can connect to PayPal, Stripe, every payment gateway.
You can. Okay,
Yeah.
I thought I heard you cannot. Okay.
Sorry, I didn't describe it perfectly. Yeah, you can. You can connect with all of them.
Okay. Palma was asking, does it offer an option to save information while mobile is offline and sync once online again?
For the customer, I believe you are asking about the customer, not the builder itself.
I think it's a
No.
customer.
Yeah, not yet. Actually, this feature is not yet available. If he makes an order, he needs to be connected to online. If he is not connected online, there will be a pop-up that displays that your internet connection needs to be adjusted. Actually, that's how I noticed in the builder that my internet connection was interrupted. Is that I saw a notification that says that my internet connection is unstable. That's why it didn't load. So this is exactly what will happen with the customer. If he doesn't have internet connection, he will see a notification that mentions this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Guys, have you okay, I see some names in the backend for the attendees. Okay, guys, the form is working. So Manoj, do you? Yeah, definitely. Bassam has some connection issue.
But now it's working. I'm sorry, guys. I was having a network problem. Yes, now it's working. I'm sorry, guys.
Okay. Okay, guys. And we need more questions. We still have a lot of times. If no question, then we'll cut the number of giveaway. Okay, while waiting for the question, Bassam, do you want to show the pricing of the current deal? Maybe explain a little bit on the deal.
Yeah, I can have a link. I can open the link. I don't know to share the screen. I'm afraid to share the screen actually for the internet connection. So
okay, let me share the screen and you talk.
Yeah, okay. Share it as your side. I'm not going to share it.
Let me share my screen on the price.
Yeah, please.
Hold on. Okay, guys, this is the pricing page, and we have many plans. Okay, so Bassam, can you see that and just explain a little bit?
Okay. So the main difference between the versions here of those deals is the number of projects that you can access for your customers, and more than that, we have it affects as well the number of users, because you can manage how many users can manage the same project. We have this feature as well. So as you go up with the number of features, with the number of packages or the package itself, it allows you for more users to be able to join the package. So, for example, for the highest tier, you can have up to 60 application per account and up to 80 users who can manage this 60, or each project up to 80 users here. The meaning of each application is that it's available for Android. Each application is available for Android and iOS. So you need 60, means 60 for Android and 60 for iOS as well. All the lowest tiers, the bottom tiers, are just available. The available of them are 10 coupons only per the lowest, the highest tiers. Just 10 available for each of them, and higher as we go up. But unfortunately, I don't believe that Deal Mirror supports the count of coupons available. but it's about to expire soon, especially for the highest tiers.
Yeah, I think the Deal Mirror, Akash, they all didn't put in the number of users in each plan, so it's not shown.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah,
going to
maybe.
display it in order to update this part because it's important for the customers as well.
Yeah, maybe Bassam, you can talk to Deal Mirror and tell them,
Okay.
Okay, let's go back to our question time. Let's move to the question. Okay. I don't know much about stacks. Is it possible to create an Instagram or Foursquare-like app? Basically, the ability to upload images with description and location tags.
Actually, the Instagram is not an e-commerce application. We are supporting, as I mentioned, we are supporting the posts, blogging, whether it is a magazine or something like that, or newspaper, news magazine. If it is an e-commerce, retail, as I mentioned, for restaurants, for retail, for whatever pharmacy, for whatever store that you'd like to have, or for a membership, courses, and something like that. So it's available for those, but not a social platform mobile application.
Okay, guys, you say that, I need to answer this question. After filling up the form, it take me to a survey. It shouldn't be. Maybe that is because of you have participated in the previous, giveaway. So you have to refresh or maybe kill your, cache, and that will go away, because I tested the form. So you actually will not go to another survey again. Okay. Let me go to the next question. Can I have a custom menu with the external link?
It's currently in progress. Yes, we have this request, and it's currently in progress. Yes.
Okay, so let me go to the next question. Any gamification system that you support, or do you plan to have one right inside Stacks?
No, actually, we don't have this in place. But if you have a system that you would like to integrate with, actually, this is the first time to see this request. So, but I'm totally interested to see what kind of system that you'd like to integrate with. So just send us a link to what you need, and we're going to add it in our roadmap.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
What is a user?
If you'd like to, from the builder itself, if you'd like to, how many people who can go and manage the project and add this views or remove view or customize the builders, the mobile application. So it's not just a single person. It's not a must. Maybe in your company you have a designer, developer, support person, something like that. You'd like to check the analytics. You'd like to check the orders. You'd like to customize the design and so on. So everything, this can be added through the user management system that we have inside the builder.
Okay, so I think we have got all the questions asked. Unless you have any more questions, I think we have all. So Bassam, you have any other thing to tell before we actually can go into the spinning of the wheel for the giveaway?
No, all is fine. I think we have covered everything. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Yeah. There is another question coming in.
Yes, the first thing, stream YouTube video, I believe.
No, I don't know what. Yes. Can we stream YouTube video or embed player from one?
Just take the embed link and add it in the text block inside the builder itself, and add the block and add the YouTube embed link. It will appear and stream whatever you want. Yes, it's possible. Or YouTube or other platforms.
And sell each video like ebooks.
Through the membership, yes. That's the purpose of the membership. You can lock pages to sell videos and courses, or let's say you have a gym, for example, a gym or a yoga center, for example, something like that. You can lock videos for subscribers only. for Gold's package or Platinum package and so on. Yes, it's possible to do so.
Okay, this is the last question.
Yeah. Yeah, you need to have the WordPress for the LTT package. I answered this. You need the for the LTT package, you need the to have a WordPress and integrate with the plugin with that WordPress. Your WordPress acts as the database of the mobile application where it stores all its data.
Okay, this question by Manoj.
I'm not sure what's APRX.
Yeah, I'm also not sure. Anush, can you just explain a little bit? Or how many number of stack are published on Play Store? Oh, it means that how many customer had actually published the app through stacks?
Yeah, we have a list of about maybe more than what we have. We have a list more than about 60 or something like that. That's already published from the LTD community only. Yeah, but many others didn't publish already the applications. They are building or waiting for the customers and so on.
Last question. Can I integrate with OpenAI or ChatGPT? Why
Not
you
yet.
need to do that?
Not yet.
No,
But
my question is why do you need to do that?
maybe as a chat system or something like that. If there is a chatbot, you can add it through a button and redirect to that chatbot on your website or something like that. But it's not something
Yeah, I mean,
easy. Yeah.
Unless you are doing some kind of writing or maybe some search or whatever, then you need to
Yeah,
integrate with
exactly. Maybe like this, yes. Or a recommendation system for the products or something like that. Yes.
Okay. No, what is this question approximately? I am
You
not
have
sure.
many approximate numbers, he meant, yeah.
Oh, okay.
This was the questions that we already answered, yes.
Okay, guys, I think that's all we have. Unless you have more questions to ask, let me check whether again we have any. Okay, that's good. Let's do the spinning.
Yep.
Hold on, guys. I need to go to the back end and get all the names. Copy and paste on the screen. Let me share my screen.
Yes.
Can you guys see that? I hope you can see. Anybody cannot see the wheels of name? Let me know. Oh, okay, you can see. Okay, let me check the name again. See any double entry? Okay, today is good. Nobody do double entry. Okay, so we have 5 prices. Let's spin now. Hold on, let me check. I always have this question, why my name is not on the list?
He didn't add his name.
Sometimes I do not want to answer this question because okay, let's spin, Shuffle. Okay, if you cannot see your name, that means you haven't submitted your form. As simple as that, So that's why I was wondering, why this question asked, So okay, let me check.
Can you add their name manually, or it must to be in the form?
Okay, let me check. How many people have not submitted the form? Have submitted but don't name no name.
I see. I see about 3 of them who have who says that they filled the form.
Okay, so I see 4 names: Adran and Asim and Rodrigo. Yeah, the name is being scrolled. So I'm not sure whether if you say you submitted the names are not there. So sometimes it could be the backend problem of a Google Sheet or whatever. Okay, let me add the names if there is a
Yeah.
case. Too
Yes.
many people. Let me see. Because you know why? A lot of people come in last minute and they cannot find the link to fill in the form. So they will say, why my name was not there? So,
Yeah.
I mean, that is the usual response I will give,
Yeah.
Bassam, you understand what I mean?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. I totally agree that maybe they tried filling it at the last minute or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's okay. Luckily, we can modify it ourselves here. It's not that much, maybe 5 or something like that. So that's perfect.
Yeah, because
Can you type your name, please? The one is saying that I was here at the start at 10 a.m. We don't know your name. We need to help you, but we don't know your name.
yeah, that's why sometimes people do not want to show their face. They do not want to.
No,
I mean,
no
I
problem.
cannot help you because I
Okay,
cannot see your face and see your
yeah,
name. You
we
you
don't
you
know.
must give permission to this web video to show your name and photo.
Just type your name, please.
Yeah, add my me. Who are you? I cannot add because I can't see. I
Okay.
see.
Manoj. Okay.
Okay, let's move because shuffle.
Yeah,
I
please.
will spin 5
Yeah.
times. Okay, let's go.
Derek Gross.
Derek Gross. So are you there to claim your prize? If you are, please type your name correctly. If you are Derek Gross, please type Derek Gross. Don't type I'm here because we do not want to see that. We want to see your name. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Ankit, you say Manoj's name is already there. Yeah, I add in already.
Yeah, Derek Gross is there.
So he said, here I am again. I will say, please type your name. That is the most important thing. Okay, congratulations. Let's move. Guys, you have to type your name because anybody can say, I'm here. And some of them, they don't show their name and also photo. So we do not know whether this guy is a real person or not. So that's why we need to insist that, you must type your name and also put your photo and also give permission to wave video to show your name.
Welcome on board, Derek.
Okay, let me sort out again. Manoj, your name appeared 2 times. Why you say your name not there? Ankit pointed this out. Okay, thank you. Let's do it. Yeah, I know, guys. Sometimes we try to help you guys, and then sometimes you take, I mean, we trust you guys, so that's why this happened. Let's go. Yes, Wong. Okay, congratulations. DS Wong. Yeah, I know you are there. Please type your name, DS Wong. Are you there? You must be there. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to the third name. Let's spin again. Deep area. So you run so hard, you miss by a hairline. Congratulations. Jadip, are you there? Jadip, I think he should be here because I saw him asking some question. Guys, just tell Jadip to show his name, to type his name, or maybe he go to toilet.
Yeah. JD, man.
Okay, congratulations.
Congratulations, man.
So we have 3 names already: Derek, DS Wong, and Jadip. So we have 2 more to go. Let's spin. Mizano Rahman Momin. Okay, you have a long name. Mizano, are you there? I don't see you asking any question, so you might not be there. Mizano? I think maybe from either Bangladesh or India, you know.
No, it says Mizanur here.
The problem is I cannot identify him. I cannot identify him. That's a problem because, you know. So can you give permission to wave video to show your name and photo and type in your name again? I mean, I give you the last chance because I don't want to. Can you just do this? See the screen, give permission to show your profile photo and name while commenting by clicking the link so that we know who are commenting, you know, because that should be easier for you, right? Mizano, can you do that? No? Yes? No? No? Never mind, we spin the last one, so we wait for you first. Mabel I. Are you there, Mabel? Mabel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Congratulations, man.
So you're joining from mobile? No, I'm not sure whether can we give permission in the mobile? I'm not sure. Guys, I'm not sure because I never go into mobile because I always in the desktop or doing that.
Derek Ross told that those people are on a mobile too. So
Yeah, DS won't say I'm also on mobile. Click
Yeah.
on the link and you open in Facebook web view. Can you do that?
congratulations, guys.
Congratulations. Okay, let me do one more thing. I have to go to my Facebook. Wait for me a few seconds. I have to go to Facebook and check because, I mean, no, I also cannot see the names. Okay, Iransoa, can you confirm that Mizano is in Facebook? Is it him? Just let me
Congratulations,
know.
guys. Thank you.
So, Iransoa, can you please, you are my moderator, can you just confirm that, you know, the Mizano is actually there in the Facebook because I can't find his name, you know. Or anybody can confirm that.
He's one person.
Okay. Okay, guys, yeah, let's conclude this. These are the people who actually won. Derek Gross, DS Wong, Jadip Arya, Mizano, and also Mabel I. Okay, Mizano, please actually you can actually click in the mobile and actually bring you your name there, so you have to help yourself to get the price, because sometimes I mean, we have to follow the rules and we have to be fair to everybody, so let's do that. Albert, I'm in your friend list. We chatted earlier. I don't know who you are. That's a problem. I mean, you can say you. I mean, we have chatted so many people, so it doesn't matter, so that's okay.
Okay.
I get sometimes.
Ankit says that he's here. So yeah, people are saying that he's here. So it's okay. It's okay. Give it to him.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Thank
So
you.
this is the end of it, and let me short the screen.
Congratulations, guys. Yeah.
Congratulations. With that, we'll conclude this one and hope that everybody knows a little bit more about this tax, the latest development and also updates, and would like to say thanks to Bassam, so for spending about an hour with us, to explain the new features and also the new updates, and also
Thank
to
you.
the audience, who come here and also
Yeah,
stay
my
with us,
pleasure.
to ask questions and to participate. Thank
My
you,
pleasure.
and we'll see you again. Bassam, you have anything to say before we actually?
Yeah, please, guys, the people who won the prize, don't just leave it and don't use it. Please use it. Tell us about the features that you need. Inform us about what you notice, and we will totally support you. Chat with me directly, and I'll totally support you in whatever you need. I'm building this product for you, so please let me allow me to help you achieve great deals for your business. Thank you so much. Thanks,
Okay,
Albert.
thank you. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.